Hello guys, this is Vamsi. Today I'm going to say my Web Technologies Lab 6th experiment. So in this 6th experiment, we are going to see about the JavaScripts, timer functions and the objects. So now here we're going to create 5 pages. Like first one, the JavaScript code to display the digital clock. And the next one for the background color of every 30 seconds changes. And our third one is create an event handler that will increase the font size when a mouse moves over a paragraph and decrease the size when the mouse move off the paragraph. So, and the fourth one is write JavaScript code to move absolutely position car image. Actually, in this car image, I use my bike image. So we'll see how it's done. And when a user clicks to move the button and to stop the car image, when the user clicks the button to stop the following page. And now creating an array objects where each object describes a book and has the properties of title, strings, authors, and an year of publication. Iterate through an array of books and displays a web page for each book, prints the book title and the book author, like so, book title by author name. Now use an if-else statement to characterize the books that are published before 1980s and after 1980. So this is our 6 pages we are going to create. So let's see how we are going to create that. Let's check how our first page is created. So this is our first page, like our digital clock. We are going to make it. We are using a simple header file in which we are giving all the details about that, and we are using our JavaScript here. In the body, we are going to write a class in the div. We are giving the ID as nav, class as nav, and we are referring them, like we given the name as quest1, quest2, quest3, quest4, and quest5. So now we are using a class container in which a digital clock. So here we are giving an ID as time and the style as font size 50 pixel we are giving as. And now we are going to display within the JavaScript. We are writing the code like var d equal to new date, the document dot get element by ID time dot inner HTML equal to d dot get hours plus d dot get minutes, and we are using for the seconds also now, and we are setting the time interval for the displaying is 1000. So this is our first page is going to look like. Let's see how it's going to be. So this is our first page. This is the digital clock, how it's going to work. And now let's see the second page. So within the second page, we are seeing that our title is a website we are giving in the head, and we are using some Metaport, these and all normal stuff, and sources as new.js. And now here in the class, now we are creating the same as quest1, quest2, quest3, and quest5. So within those, everything is going to work, and we are using a class container in the center, and in the center we are giving as a dynamic background. So in the dynamic background, we are, for the script, we are writing a code function set background color var red equal to math.floor, where math random, so it's going to check in a random way. Similarly, we made it for the blue, green, and now var color equal to RGB, and we are giving red, green, blue, and we are writing the elements in this document.get element by tag name body. So we are catching the body in this, and we are style equal to background color. So this is how it's done, and we are setting interval for the background color as 300. So let's check how our second page is going to be. So we are using the second page as quest2. See how the colors are changing now. This is the dynamic background. Let's check our third page how it's going to be, and this is the third page code. We are writing the class now. We are creating all the quests till 5 and changing the font size. For that, we are writing here as we are using the paragraph tag, and we are giving as a ID as par1 and on mouse over. So in the on mouse over, we are giving a function called insize. On mouse out, we are giving a function called decrease size. So within the script, we are writing the function increase size. So this is here we are writing as document.get element para1. So it will be getting the para1 and style dot font size equal to 50px, and function decrease size equal to document.get element by id par1 dot style dot font size equal to, right. So this is how the third page is going to be. Let's see how it's done. So quest 3 is our third page. So see, this is the output how we are going to get when you move your mouse over there. And now let's check the fourth page code. So this is our fourth page. Like we are using the same contents as before we used, and now we are in the container. We are using an image source as motor, which is we copied in the site root, and id as my image. We have given as id as my image, and we are creating two buttons, like for the start and the stop. So on click, move right, and stop. So we are giving two functions. So within the script we are writing the code. We are creating an object for the image and animate image object equal to document.getElement by id my image, and image object dot style dot position equal to relative, and image object dot style dot left equal to 0 pixel. And in the function move right, we are writing as image dot style dot left equal to phrase int image object dot style dot left plus 10 plus pixel. So we are moving it aside, and animate equal to set timeout move right 200 we are giving it as, and in the function stop we are giving as clear timeout animate image object dot style dot left equal to 0 pixel. So this is how our fourth code is. Let's check how it's going to work. So see, this is our image. So here are the buttons. So we are going to start this. See how the image is moving now, and we are going to stop that. See, let's stop. Let's check our fifth code. Same as the before one, we created all the quests again, and in the container we are giving as spam book id, and before 1980s we are giving it that as a B, and after 1980s we are giving the id as A. So in the var script we are writing the book details, title, author, and year. Similarly we are given like 5 books, and we are declaring var I equal to 0 while I less than books dot length document.getElement by id book dot inner html is equal to book I dot title plus by plus books in I dot author plus. So here we are going to get the details about the book length, and in the similarly we have created a two loops over here. So we are going to get the details of the which are less than or equal to 1980s. So this is how it's done, the fifth one. Let's check how it's going to run. So let's go to our fifth page. See, these are our book details. This is how we are going to get the details. So this is my Technology Lab 661 guys. Thank you for watching.